All right, so let's talk about scope. And scope refers to where is something available. Currently, my scope is this room, the scope of Todd. If you want to access Todd McLeod, scope of McLeod is this room. If you're in the next room, you're not accessing McLeod. And so everything has a scope. The scope of my car does not include this basement. I cannot access my car in this basement. The scope of my car is pretty much like surface roads, not the sky, right? So where can you access something? And so that's what scope refers to. And just looking at code we've already written, hello world. Let me do a Go playground. Or let's just look what I've already written, see what it has. All right, so here I have, let's just add in y : equals 4012, and then print line y. Okay, so the scope of y is from here down. And let's verify that. $12, $42, $42. What about if I did this? That is no longer in the scope of y. And you can see I'm getting an error. Y is undefined. Y's scope is from here to there. This is block level scope, right? So anything we declare in a block, between curly braces, a block of code, it's from where we declare it and assign it downwards. Okay, so that's the scope, one level of scope. Another level of scope is package level scope. I'm declaring this at the package level. This is available anywhere in the package. I can bring it down here, it still works. Put it back up there, and it works. Okay, so that's package level scope. Those are pretty much like the two main things you need to know about scope, 90% of the time. Package level, block level, from whatever point it is declared inside a block downwards. Let's just look at the rest of these examples, see if anything else comes to mind for me. So here we have, oh, this is the visible and not visible deal, right? My name, your name, and my name. I couldn't access your name because that's not exported from this package. My name, your name. Printer. But printer, if I ran print var will allow me to export your name. So let's just run that one just out of curiosity. The proof is in the pudding. Right, so it printed future rockstar programmer because here it took something that's not visible outside the package, though this is visible outside the package, it lets it run. So that's just visibility. Block scope. We have closure, which is interesting. More on that later. Order matters. Let's take a look at that. We already covered that. Variable shadowing. So this is good to know about. Just looking to see how is the shadowing occurring here. This is weird, right? I have a function max, and I assign it to a variable max, and then I print line max, right? And max is now, the result, not the function. So just make sure you don't use the same names. This is bad. Don't do that. I have the same name for max and the result. Don't do that. I haven't looked at this code in a year. Format print line x, package main, var x equals 7. That's kind of cool. So let's check this one out. That's kind of a nice little twist. I'm in visibility, and I want to come up a level, and then come up a level, and then change into 05. Command line arguments, undefined x. So I have package main, and we have var x equals 7, right? But then we try to print it here. Important to run this code. Go run star.go, or oh, there we go. But now I need to build it to get that to work, because when I ran main.go, what happened? So this is a command I put in, go run main.go, what happened? It ran this file, okay? And it's not importing anything. If it imported it, it would then maybe build that for us. But if I do a go build and then run this, and this is going to be 05, right? That's now here. 05, same package, run that. That worked. Gave me 7. So I could have different. I could take a package and put it across different files. It's in here. It's in here. This is all package main. Remember, this could have been called anything. And then if I go build it again and go run it again, it still works. Oh, I never refactored it. Let's refactor it. Oh, I don't want, dang it, cancel. Just refactor it. There we go. So go build it. Go run it. Same thing. So that doesn't have to be called main. I'm going to leave it anything. I kind of like that. And except other people rely on this training the way it was. So did anybody have any questions about that? Isn't that cool? Right? I mean, we saw this before, that a package could be distributed across many files, but I really like that. But to get it to work, you have to do go run all files with the extension go. Go run all files with the extension go, or go build it and then run it. So the main takeaway is scope. That's what we started talking about. And you all saw there's block level scope and package level scope. And those are the main scopes you just think about.